Hi, I'm Jeff Moisan with Keller Home Group Realty, and I'm here to provide you with the 2024 Guelph Housing Market Stats Year in Review. The 2024 real estate market in Guelph reflected a continued shift in housing dynamics as detached homes saw a modest rebound with 946 units sold, up from the previous 2 years. However, sales of semis, townhouses, and condominiums remained slightly decreased, with 463 and 329 units sold respectively. This reflects a stabilizing but selective demand as affordability challenges and shifting buyer preferences influence the composition of the market. Detached homes continue to hold appeal, but their share of total sales is gradually declining compared to the higher density options like townhomes and condos. This mirrors a broader trend seen in urban areas where affordability and population growth are driving demand for smaller, more affordable housing types. While Guelph remains less dense than the major metro centers, the trend toward higher density housing is slowly making its mark as the city grows and evolves. Looking ahead to 2025, this trend is expected to continue as new residents are drawn to the region and housing affordability remains a key factor. The market will likely see further interest in townhomes and condos, especially as developers respond to growing demand for these diverse housing options. Meanwhile, detached homes, while still popular, may face increased competition from these more affordable options, particularly as buyers prioritize value and the evolving market. If you'd like to see the full report and all of the different metrics that relate to you from the 2024 Guelph Housing Market Stats, take a look down in the link below. And of course, if you're considering buying, selling, or investing this year, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks a lot and have a great day.